Hi everybody, it's Miss Samantha from the Vineland Public Library. It's just about bedtime, which means it's time for a bedtime story. Tonight I am going to share with you If Animals Kissed Goodnight. It is by Anne Whitford Paul and the pictures are done by David Walker and it's being read with permission by Macmillan Publishing. One thing that you have to do before you go to bed is get a goodnight kiss. Whether it's your mom or dad who is putting you to bed, or maybe grandma or grandpa, or someone else who loves you, they all are going to give you a goodnight kiss before you go to bed. Well, how do our animal friends kiss goodnight? Let's find out. Are you ready?
Okay.
If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight. Sloth and her cub in late afternoon's light would hang from a tree and start kissing so slow. The sky would turn pink and the sun sink down low. Peacock and chick would spin a fan dance and kiss with a kickety high-stepping prance. Mama python and hatchling would kiss waggling around, twirling and twisting like rope loosely wound. Walrus calf and her papa would make whiskery swishes, rubbing each other in scratching kisses. Mama elephant's trunk would kiss and then sway and shower her calf with a wet washing spray. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight, the sky would turn dull, the moon a chalk white, and Sloth and her cub still kissing goodnight. Parrot and chick would click and clack their beaks, kissing click and clack, click and clack, click and clack, cleek. Wolf and his pup would kiss and then howl. Bear and her cub would kiss and then growl. Can you howl like Wolf and his cub and his pup? Can you howl? Howl. How about growl like Bear and her cub? Go ahead and growl. Grrr. Good job. Mama monkey and infant would swing through the trees, smacking their lips in a kissing trapeze. Seal and his calf would blow big bubbled kisses that rise to the surface in splashety splishes. And we still have Sloth right here. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight, the sky would turn dark with the moon glowing white, and Sloth and her cub still kissing goodnight. Mama penguin and chick would stumble and slide on slippery rocks in a hug and kiss ride. Papa rhino and calf would kiss tip-a-tap-tap, smooching their horns in a tip-a-tap rap. Giraffe and his calf would stretch their necks high and kiss just beneath the top of the sky. Kangaroo and her joey would jumpity jump, kiss, 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 bounce, bumpity bump. Hippo calf would kiss Papa, then they'd settle down deep in the slithery ooze, a mud happy heap. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight, the sky would turn black, the moon would shine bright. All would grow quiet, with all tucked in tight. But Sloth and her cub still kissing goodnight. Do you know why the sloth kisses so long? 'Cause they're so slow. That's how long it takes them to kiss. Good night, everybody. Sweet dreams, and I will see you again really soon.